To keep the body in good health is a duty. Otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our minds strong and clear. Do you ever walk into a room and completely forget why you're there? Or struggle to find a simple word that's right on the tip of your tongue? Many people dismiss this as a senior moment. But as a chemist, I can tell you it might not be your age. It might be what's in your frying pan. Today, I am going to expose the #1 so-called healthy oil that could be creating brain fog and directly contributing to the damage of your brain cells. And I'll show you the simple, undeniable chemistry behind it. The oils I'm talking about are in almost every kitchen. Clear, plastic bottles of vegetable and seed oils. This includes corn oil, canola oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, and safflower oil. We're told they are heart healthy, but their chemical structure tells a different story. These oils are extremely high in something called polyunsaturated fatty acids, or PUFAs. Think of these PUFA molecules as delicate, fragile chains with many weak points. When you add heat, light, and air, which happens every time you open the bottle and cook, these chains shatter. This chemical reaction is called oxidation. When these oils oxidize, they don't just break down, they create new, toxic compounds. The most dangerous of these are called aldehydes. And here is the critical part. These aldehydes are poison to your body. They cause widespread inflammation and oxidative stress. Your brain, which is nearly 60% fat, is a primary target for this damage. This constant, low-grade inflammation is a direct cause of brain fog, memory problems, and is scientifically linked to a higher risk of long-term diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. So what is the solution? It's simple. Use chemically stable fats. Oils like avocado oil, coconut oil, ghee, clarified butter, and even animal fats like butter are mostly monosaturated and saturated fats. Chemically, these are strong, stable molecules. They are like a solid, robust chain with no weak points. They can handle heat without breaking down and creating those toxic aldehydes. They cook your food safely without creating inflammation. What about olive oil? Extra virgin olive oil is a healthy fat, but it's also delicate. It is best used for low-heat cooking or drizzling on salads, not for high-heat frying. So, to protect your brain, here is your simple guide. What not to do. Throw out plastic bottles of corn, canola, soybean, and sunflower oil. Trust the heart-healthy label on these seed oils. Eat deep-fried food from restaurants, as they almost always use these cheap, unstable oils. What to do? For high-heat cooking, stock your kitchen with avocado oil, coconut oil, or ghee. For salads and low heat, use high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Read ingredient labels. Avoid packaged foods and dressings made with these inflammatory seed oils. Protecting your mind isn't complicated. It starts with simple, conscious choices in your kitchen. By understanding the chemistry of your food, you take back control of your health. Subscribe for more scientific truths that can change your life. And tell me in the comments, what is your favorite healthy fat to cook with?